Let's check the recipe. Fried bacon and eggs. It's cooking time! Fried bacon and eggs. Let's check all the food ingredients for the fried bacon and eggs. 1 slice fresh lemon. Salt and pepper. 100 grams butter. 2 slices bacon. 2 large eggs. 100 grams fresh veggies. 30 milliliters butter spray. Firstly, let's melt some butter. Swipe the butter in the pan. Nice! Now choose your favorite bacon type. Let's drag the bacon onto the pan. Wow! It's time to turn the bacon. Good! Let's drag the fried bacon into a plate. Amazing! I like it! Wow, so many lovely egg molds! Choose the one you like. Good! Simply break the egg into the mold. Great choice! Good job! It's time to fry the egg. Good! Then let's drag the fried egg onto the plate. Wonderful! Let's spray some butter onto the pan. Lovely! Pour your favorite vegetables into the pan. I love it! Stir-fry the vegetables with a spatula. So yummy! Spoon the vegetables into the plate. So nice! Finally, garnish the fried bacon and eggs with some salt, pepper, and fresh lemon juice. Time to decorate. Choose whatever you like to decorate your food. I know what I want. Let's ring for food.
Voila! I can't wait to try it.
So yummy! Congratulations! You finished all the cooking steps.